Want to start trading Bitcoin like a pro? Look no further than Bitnode. From beginners to experienced traders, Bitnode has something to offer everyone. So what are you waiting for? Start trading like a pro with Bitnode today and take control of your Bitcoin investments. Join me as I challenge myself to start trading Bitcoin like a pro using Bitnode, and see if I can turn my initial investment into something amazing. Trading Bitcoin involves buying and selling the cryptocurrency to capitalize on price fluctuations. As one of the most popular digital assets, Bitcoin attracts traders from all over the world due to its high liquidity and significant price volatility, offering opportunities for both short-term profits and long-term investments. To succeed in Bitcoin trading, having access to a reliable platform is essential. A platform like Bitnode provides traders with the tools and insights needed to make informed decisions. Reliable platforms ensure secure transactions, real-time market data, and advanced analytical tools that enhance trading effectiveness. They also offer features such as customizable charts, technical indicators, and automated trading options that help traders execute their strategies efficiently. Using a trustworthy platform is crucial to safeguard funds and avoid risks associated with unregulated or unreliable exchanges. Bitnode combines security, user-friendly functionality, and market intelligence to empower traders at every level, making it an ideal choice for those aiming to navigate the dynamic world of Bitcoin trading with confidence and precision. Bitcoin is known for its extreme price fluctuations, which can be both an opportunity and a challenge. New traders often struggle to manage the emotional highs and lows that come with rapid market swings. Without a solid strategy, they may make impulsive decisions, leading to unnecessary losses. Understanding how the Bitcoin market works requires time and effort. Many new traders enter the market without grasping basic concepts such as blockchain technology, market cycles, or technical analysis. This lack of knowledge can result in poor decision-making and reliance on unreliable information sources. Trading Bitcoin successfully requires access to advanced tools and platforms. Without these, traders may find it difficult to analyze market trends, set proper entry and exit points, or manage risk effectively. A reliable platform like Bitnode can provide the necessary charts, indicators, and real-time data to overcome this hurdle. The crypto market is heavily influenced by emotions, with sudden price surges or declines often driven by sentiment rather than fundamentals. New traders may fall victim to FOMO or panic selling, making trades at the wrong time and locking in losses. New traders often underestimate the importance of managing risk. Over-leveraging positions or failing to set stop-loss orders can lead to significant financial setbacks. Understanding how to allocate funds wisely and set limits is a crucial skill that many beginners lack. The cryptocurrency space is rife with scams, hacks, and phishing attempts. New traders may not know how to secure their wallets, protect private keys, or choose reputable platforms, exposing them to potential losses. The sheer volume of news, updates, and market data can be overwhelming for new traders. Filtering relevant information and staying focused on key market indicators is a skill that takes time to develop. Many new traders enter the Bitcoin market expecting quick and substantial profits. When the market doesn't meet these expectations, they may become discouraged or make rash decisions to try and recover perceived losses. By recognizing these challenges and addressing them proactively, new traders can improve the chances of success in the Bitcoin market. Leveraging educational resources, adopting disciplined strategies, and using reliable platforms like Bitnode can help mitigate these common hurdles. Meet Sarah, a marketing professional who decided to explore Bitcoin trading as a way to diversify her investments. Like many beginners, she faced challenges: understanding technical analysis, managing the emotional swings of a volatile market, and finding the right platform to support her learning curve. That's when she discovered Bitnode. Initially, Sarah used Bitnode's demo trading feature to familiarize herself with the platform and practice strategies without risking real funds. The demo environment provided real-time market conditions, allowing her to experiment with different trading techniques, such as scalping and swing trading. She made mistakes but learned valuable lessons about timing and risk management, all within a safe, risk-free space. Once she felt confident, Sarah transitioned to live trading. Bitnode's customizable charts and built-in technical indicators became her go-to tools. By analyzing trends with moving averages and using the relative strength index, RSI, to identify overbought and oversold conditions, she started making informed decisions. For example, during a Bitcoin price dip in early 2024, she used Bitnode's sentiment analysis tool to gauge market emotions and confidently entered a position, which she later exited at a 12% profit. What set Bitnode apart for Sarah was its educational resources and real-time alerts. The platform provided access to step-by-step tutorials, webinars, and a supportive community of traders. Bitnode's price alert system notified her of key market movements, enabling her to act swiftly and avoid missing profitable opportunities. One of Sarah's key turning points came when she used Bitnode's risk management features, such as setting stop-loss and take-profit orders. These tools protected her investments from significant losses while locking in gains during volatile price swings. Over 6 months, her portfolio grew by 45%, largely thanks to the disciplined strategies she developed using Bitnode. Today, Sarah shares her journey on social media, inspiring others to start their trading adventures. She credits Bitnode for transforming her from a hesitant beginner into a confident and profitable Bitcoin trader. Sarah's story illustrates how Bitnode's user-friendly interface, real-time analytics, and educational tools can turn trading into a structured, achievable path to success. Whether you're just starting or looking to refine your skills, Bitnode provides the guidance and resources to thrive in the fast-paced world of Bitcoin trading. Start by signing up on Bitnode. Provide the necessary details, verify your email, and complete any identity verification process required. This ensures you have a secure and fully functional account. Explore features, navigate through Bitnode's dashboard to understand its interface. Look for features such as charts, trading pairs, order types, and analytics. Familiarize yourself with tools that can aid your trading decisions, such as candlestick charts or live order books. Understand fees. Every platform has its fee structure. Bitnode may charge for trades, withdrawals, or deposits. Understanding these fees helps you plan your trades more effectively and avoid unexpected costs. Learn the basics. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency. Learn how it works, including blockchain technology, mining, and the factors influencing Bitcoin's price, like supply-demand dynamics, macroeconomic events, and regulatory news. Study market trends. Use Bitnode's historical data and charts to analyze past price movements. Look for patterns like support and resistance levels, trend lines, and candlestick formations, which can guide your trading strategies. Stay updated. Bitcoin's market is highly influenced by news. Follow cryptocurrency news sources and communities to stay ahead of developments, such as changes in regulations, institutional adoption, or technological advancements. Charts and indicators. Technical analysis is essential for traders. Learn to read candlestick charts and use indicators like moving averages, MA, helps identify trends over time. Relative Strength Index, RSI, indicates overbought or oversold conditions. MACD, Moving Average Convergence Divergence, signals potential trend reversals. Order types. Platforms like Bitnode often support multiple order types. Market order, executes immediately at the current price. Limit order, executes at your desired price, allowing more control. Stop-loss order, automatically sells to minimize losses. Trading pairs, understand trading pairs, e.g., BTC, USD or BTC, ETH. Each pair allows you to trade Bitcoin against a specific currency or asset. Day trading, focus on making multiple trades within a single day. Day trading relies on small price movements and requires active monitoring. Swing trading, hold positions for a few days or weeks to capitalize on larger price movements. Swing trading is less time-intensive than day trading but requires patience. HODLing, HODL, stands for Hold On for Dear Life. This long-term strategy involves buying Bitcoin and holding it for months or years, ignoring short-term volatility. Spread your investments across multiple assets to reduce risk. Avoid putting all your funds into Bitcoin or a single trade. Set limits, use stop-loss orders to minimize potential losses and take profit orders to lock in gains when the market moves in your favor. Allocate wisely, only trade with funds you can afford to lose. Avoid using money set aside for essential expenses. Leverage analytics. Bitnode may provide insights like on-chain data, transaction volume, or hash rates. Use these metrics to assess network health and predict price movements. Monitor sentiment. Market sentiment reflects trader emotions, such as fear or greed. Tools like sentiment analysis on Bitnode can help you gauge when the market is overly optimistic or pessimistic. Engage in community. Join Bitnode's forums or social media groups. Learning from experienced traders can provide valuable tips and strategies. Many platforms offer demo accounts where you can trade with virtual funds. Use this feature to test your strategies without financial risk. Real trading. Start small. Invest a small portion of your funds and gradually increase as you gain confidence and experience. Review performance. Regularly analyze your trades to identify what worked and what didn't. Keeping a trading journal can help track your progress and refine your strategies. Upgrade skills. Stay informed about new tools, trading techniques, and market updates. Continuous learning is key to staying ahead in crypto trading. Bitcoin trading is volatile. Success requires discipline, emotional control, and the willingness to learn from mistakes. Bitcoin trading offers exciting opportunities but comes with challenges like market volatility, lack of knowledge, and the need for effective tools. Bitnode empowers traders, providing a reliable platform designed to simplify and enhance the trading experience. With Bitnode, beginners can access demo trading to practice risk-free, while advanced tools like customizable charts, technical indicators, and real-time analytics ensure informed decision-making. The platform's educational resources and alerts equip users to navigate market trends confidently, while robust risk management features protect investments and maximize profits. Success stories like Sarah's highlight how Bitnode transforms novice traders into proficient ones by offering a secure, user-friendly, and comprehensive trading environment. By leveraging Bitnode's features and insights, anyone can trade Bitcoin with the confidence and skill of a professional. Start exploring Bitnode and apply these steps. With consistent effort and strategic use of the platform's tools, you can level up your Bitcoin trading game and achieve success in the crypto market. We'd love to hear from you. Share your trading experiences, challenges, or success stories in the comments below. If you're new to Bitcoin trading or have questions about using Bitnode, don't hesitate to ask. We're here to help. For those looking to take their trading skills to the next level, don't miss our next video on advanced Bitcoin trading strategies. Learn how to master complex techniques and unlock even greater potential in the crypto market. Check it out now, and let's continue this journey together.